other antioxidants for immunity.
We get these
And more from
Century Band.
Tulong para matibay ang immune system.
at healthy ang buong katawan.
Ang tibay ng loob ay hindi nasusukat sa tagumpay, ngunit sa determinasyong lampasan ng bawat pagsubok. Tanduay Rock, 165 years na nagbibigay ng saktong tama at hagod. Walang problemang maliit o malaki. Basta may tiwala sa sarili. Tibay ng loob, tibay Tanduay.
Humol? Di ba
Kurat mo? Clean! Ang tamang hugaw. Perfect clean.
The boys' teams. Ang family na suot ang shirt together stays forever. Isuot kahit ang araw ang official family is forever shirt. Available pa sa mga authorized retail stores nationwide.
Approved!
Watch out! Walang budget! Johnny Silver's yan! Huwag matapos sa lunch out. Hamburger 35, burger steak 50, Jolly Spaghetti 50. Sulit na ng bestsellers, Jolly Savers.
Even hairstylists are impressed. Her secret? New Head & Shoulders Smooth and Silky. Moisturizes hair from roots to tips. 100% dandruff-free, smooth and silky hair.
Ang tiwala hindi basta-basta ang naibibigay. Ganyan din sa gamot. Hindi ko iinumin ang gamot. Kapag hindi ko ito subok, doon ako sa binigyan ko ng tiwalang inumin. Kaya pag kailangan ng gamot,
Bakit di mapapalitan ang ating Copica Blanca coffee? Let's find out.
Copica Blanca is thick!
At hindi malalaw.
At lasa mo pa rin yung coffee.
Yan ang creamy-licious Copica Blanca. Every day can be a struggle for your skin. Outdoors can make you too oily. Cold indoors can make you too dry. You need 2-in-1 care. Sanatec Hydration Facial Wash with natural moisturizing factor. Gently cleanses plus moisturizes. For healthy skin that's not too oily and not too dry. That's how you stay in control. Go for 2-in-1 care. Sanatec Hydration Facial Wash.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Sinong mananalo?
Apat, lima, anim.
Fix na natin